I danced Thriller over 100 days, and what I learned even surprised me. Number 3, community makes it richer. When I began this journey, I could never in a million years have imagined that I would have a hype team out there. That's you. That's you, that is. Thank you so much. Every comment, every piece of encouragement, even that one criticism, I know I won't let it go. It all spurred me on, and it made me realise that this was bigger than me, more than me, and this wasn't my journey, it was our journey. So I want to thank each and every one of you so much. And if there is something that you're doing, make sure that you tell people. Tell them, be brave, because then they get the chance to spur you on and to cheerlead you. In fact, tell me, let me be your cheerleader. Follow for more and join my Insider Circle for more insight and stories behind my Thriller 100 journey. See you on the inside.